You're hitting that instant exit code 0 crash in Minecraft Forge with OptiFine, and that stops everything dead. This guide will eliminate that frustrating Minecraft Forge OptiFine conflict instantly. First, let's verify the compatibility. Often a simple drag and drop error or an outdated file causes this entire mess. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from other mods interfering, which brings us to method 2, carefully removing conflicting mods. This means isolating the problematic file by temporarily moving your entire mods folder to your desktop and then reintroducing them one by one until the crash reappears. If you're still stuck, the problem might be with your Java installation itself. So method 3 involves updating your Java runtime environment to the latest version, ensuring all necessary components are present. Finally, if all else fails, the most robust solution is to completely uninstall your current Forge setup, delete your Minecraft game folder to ensure a clean slate, and then reinstall Forge and OptiFine fresh from their official sources. This process guarantees you're starting with the cleanest possible installation, directly addressing that persistent exit code 0 crash,